Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make Bonbons Christmas Tree using Fimo polymer clay. So let's get started. To make our Christmas tree, begin with green color and mold it into a ball shape. You can flatten the ball with your hands and mold it into a triangle shape on your working surface. We are going to roll the triangle into a cone shape to make it look like a tree. I use my texture tool to make small indents on a tree surface. Next, I made a star out of a yellow clay and indented the ornaments with my needle tool. After making the star, you can make Christmas ornaments. I used yellow, purple, pink and blue colors for that. Attach the finished ornaments to a Christmas tree. To make the star more secure, I used a small part of a wire. You can bake the finished figurine in your oven according to your package's instructions. After the baking, I added 3 layers of Fimo gloss varnish to make it super shiny and protected. This is how my finished Bonbons Christmas tree looks like. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more crafty videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys!